And hello, welcome back to Blake's Den. So this is my 1970-ish, I think, Thomson Mini Glen Caravan. And the plan today is to do some work on it, to get it cleaned up and get the interior stripped out. So yeah, let's make a start on that. Just popped it open there for the first time in a long while. And yeah, it's alright in here, it doesn't smell too much. There's evidence of a bit of a damp coming in at the back there, but I don't know if that's historic damp or new damp, so I need to have a look at that. Some of the wood has already been replaced. The previous owner did quite a lot of work on this himself, so new floor, new wood, but it definitely needs the skin, the plywood skin going back on the inside. So yeah, I think the easiest way to do that is to pull out all of this interior. Now, all of this interior is already loose, I've been told. There you go. It will all be kept, and it will all be going back in as it was. So yeah, I'm keen to keep the original layout. The only thing I'm not sure about is the toilet room here. So that is obviously been modified. That should be in a full height door and a full height wall. And obviously someone's clearly changed it for some reason, but yeah, not sure why, but I'll work out a plan for that. So I think the best thing to do here is I'm just going to set you up on time lapse, and I'm just going to start taking all these bits out one at a time. So that's some of the haul. So we've got the kitchen unit with the cooker and sink in. We've got this, not sure what that is, but it's got stains on, like someone's been putting something on it. Some bits of wood, curtain rails, electrics, handles, edging strips, more bits of wood, shelf, seat base, the other seat base is still in there, and the seats. I think that this wardrobe unit, I think I'll just leave in for now. It doesn't seem too bad and seems pretty solid. So that's staying in. This seat base should probably come out. In fact, it'll probably just lift out if I undo the screws. We have got a load of insulation in here. Now, I'm working on the assumption this is asbestos insulation. So there's some there, some there, some there. So I am not going to touch that at all. There's a load more there as well. Well, I am going to touch it, but not right now. I'm going to get myself suited and booted, get it double bagged up and get it disposed of responsibly. Because that's what you need to do with asbestos. It's dangerous stuff. So yeah, it doesn't take long to strip it out really. Other features we've got as well, the original whale foot pump for the water, and it still makes like sort of pumping sounds and has resistance, so that might even still work. And obviously got holes in the floor where the services have come up into the van. So yeah, overall I'm quite happy with it still. I need to clear it out. But the carpet I'll probably keep, because that'll be a useful template for putting down lino or carpet or whatever we want to put down. Obviously it stops a little bit short of a door, so I must have to remember that when I cut out the new bit. Not that I'm going to need much, it'll probably just do on and off cut. But yeah, lots of bits of wood around, so I think I'm going to get that all cleaned up and vacuumed out and sorted. Then we can start thinking about the outside. Got the windows open at the moment just to give some air in there. I'd be grateful if somebody could tell me in the comments below how you get these windows to stay open. It looks like there's like a little catch or something you need to pop up, but it's not popping up for whatever reason. So what I've done is I've just jammed a screwdriver in for now. But yeah, the other one at the back is the same, so not sure what I'm doing wrong. Anyway, next job, I want to clean up the floor, but there's lots and lots and lots of screws. So what I've just done, I've just brought a welding magnet, and I'm just going to get the majority of the screws up. There we are. And then I'll put them in the tin, and then I'll vacuum the floor. Right, next job. Just going to vacuum up some of this stuff really. Got my Parkside industrial vacuum cleaner and I love the stuff from the middle of Lidl. So yeah, I'm just going to put this on and yeah, we'll tidy this up a bit. Well, that's looking a little bit better. So not ready to go on holiday yet, but better. Just basically you wanted to clear up all of the screws and nails and stuff, so that when I am working in here, I'm not constantly kneeling in them and catching my hand on them. I probably will pull up this entire carpet. Well, you can see the new floor the previous owners put in, so it's quite good. I need to take the whale pump out first to do that, and I need to snip the pipe from below, but that's probably not an issue for today. I think I'm probably going to leave the inside this for now, and now I'm going to do some work on getting the outside looking a bit better. So now I've turned my attention to the outside, and I'm going to power wash the van using my power washer. I'm going to be quite careful because I know there's some holes, like where the handles were. It goes through, there's some missing screw holes around the window and stuff, so I am expecting a bit of water to go in, but I guess now's the time to do it. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit it with the power washer lance, just see how it goes on the back here. The roof is the worst bit, really grotty, and then I've also got like a brush attachment I'm going to try, so yeah, let's see how this goes. That doesn't seem too bad for a start, so I'm going to set up the time lapse and I'll bring you back when it's done. Well, that's looking a little bit better. It's not going to win any concourse, but basically I just wanted it to look less like it had been dragged out of a hedge. So yeah, looking better around here. Obviously still quite a lot on the roof. Really hard to get it. It's like really hard to reach, and you're reaching at sort of full reach at the top of the ladders with a pressure washer. I did try some detergent stuff, but didn't have much luck with that. If anybody does know of a good sort of Caravan demosser stuff, let me know in the comments below. That would be appreciated. But yeah, that looks a bit better, particularly from the front, which is the side I'm going to see the most. I will be cleaning this up again sometime in the future. I just wanted it to look better than it was. It's still a long way off from where it needs to be, but yeah, a lot better than it was. In fact, I don't know if you can see, but it doesn't even look too wet in there. So there's some wet got in, but yeah, quite a lot around the door, but not too bad. It'll soon dry out in this weather. Well, it's now back in its temporary home, looking a little bit lopsided, but I think I just haven't got the legs level. But it is actually looking a bit cleaner. Say I'm not going for concourse condition. I'm just going for something which looks a bit better when I look out the window at it. I've got some big jobs I need to do in this. I've decided the A-frame is rotten. That needs to be replaced. Sounds a scary job, but no, I think I can do that myself. Got my welder. I just need to buy the steel and do that. I've also thought, ooh, what's the next job to do on the inside? I thought, ooh, board it out. But actually, I need to sort out all the wiring first, because all the wiring goes behind the boards. So I think that'll be, or those will be the next two jobs that I'll do. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, press the like button. Please feel free to comment as well, and please subscribe. It costs you nothing. I'm just amazed by these little caravans, these Thomson Mini Glens. Yeah, I've just found there's a massive fan base of them. Loads of spares still available and lots of friendly owners out there, which is great. I also found out that they did a 4-bedroom version of this, or four bed one, not bedroom. They basically had 2 beds along the front here in the side kitchen instead. So yeah, that's amazing. So anyway, yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.